Today I want to talk about tines and MarkItDown. What MarkItDown is, it's a GitHub repo tool here, MarkItDown, that Microsoft published. So it's if you look up Microsoft repo MarkItDown, you'll find it. But what's powerful about this, it's a lightweight Python library that able to extract data from PDF, PowerPoint, Word, Excel, you name it, it can do it to Markdown. What's really nice about that is it gives you the flexibility of getting very large documents into Tines or any LLM product and using it from there because LLMs favor Markdown. Here, let's show about the setup. So we have Tines, SaaS, and over the Tines SaaS, we're connected to a Linux Docker image that's running Tines HTTP tunnel. And connected to that tunnel, I actually have a MarkItDown container running in the same tunnel on port 3000. And I'm front-ending it with a Tines page to show you how the simplicity works. Let's take a look at the workflow. The workflow is basically a page that will then take your input and then pass it to the action MarkItDown/convert. And basically it's passing in the base64 and the file name, and then the page action at the end will actually show you the output. Let's see that right now. So here I'm going to go ahead and select and drag a file. I'm going to go ahead and pick my demo. Here I'm going to do a Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to hit submit. Now this is going to send it over HTTPS to the Docker container running locally. And here is the Excel spreadsheet showing you all the information on here. Now, I'm going to hit start over again and just show you a PowerPoint presentation and that conversion as well. Now, what's nice about it from this standpoint, if it was multiple sheets on that Excel spreadsheet, it would show you individual sheets, but only had one. But on this PowerPoint, there's slide 1, here's the data. Slide 2, here's the chart. Slide 3, here's the table. So it breaks it out if you have multiple sheets for Excel or slides or PDFs. So let me go ahead and start over again. And as you can see, this process is super fast. So I'm going to go ahead and click start again. Now I'm going to upload this file here. One of the things that's powerful about this one here, it's a PDF that contains about, I think, 354 pages of a PDF file. It's only 1.5 meg in size, but it's an enormous amount of data. So what I'm doing here is uploading it to Tines, pushing it down to the Markdown image. It's processing that and then sending everything back now into my platform here as an output. So as you can see here, it's telling you the name of the file, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom so you guys can take a look. And here it's going to tell us glossary page 354. I'm going to scroll up. I know it's a little nauseating, but you guys can see it here where it's actually showing you the power of the platform. And here's page 351. All that information is now in Markdown, and we can leverage it anyhow we want to. So just to sum it up, Tines plus Markdown, very easy to set up. You just connect it to the Tines HTTP tunnel on your Linux Docker, and we're able to process this data really quick. Just wanted to showcase the power of Tines and MarkItDown.